In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust text position in Davinci Resolve, an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their video editing prowess. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the world of video creation or a seasoned editor refining your artistry, this guide will let you master the steps with ease. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure that you have Davinci Resolve open and ready to go. If you're not already familiar with this powerful software, Davinci Resolve is a popular editing tool used by professionals and enthusiasts alike. It's known for its robust set of features that range from color correction to visual effects, and it comes with a free version that packs quite a punch. With your project loaded in Davinci Resolve, locate and click on the Inspector panel. The Inspector is one of the most versatile tools you'll use, as it gives you the ability to tweak various parameters related to your clips. From color adjustments to transitions and text modifications, the Inspector is your go-to spot for making detailed changes. Now, with the Inspector panel open, direct your attention to the section titled Layout. The Layout section holds the keys to altering the position of your text. It's where you have a hands-on way of adjusting how your text appears on the screen. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Center X and Y. These controls allow you to fine-tune the position of your text both horizontally and vertically within the frame. To adjust the text, simply click on the center X and Y axis points and drag them. Dragging the center X modifies the position along the horizontal axis, moving your text left or right. Conversely, manipulating the center Y axis will shift your text up or down on the vertical plane. This intuitive drag-and-drop approach simplifies the process, giving you precise control over text alignment without having to input exact numerical values. As you make these adjustments, keep a close eye on the preview window. It's important to pay attention to how these changes affect the balance of your composition. Sometimes even a slight shift can dramatically improve the visual appeal of your video, so take your time experimenting with different alignments until you find the look that suits your project best. Once you're satisfied with the position of your text, you're good to go. Congratulations, you've successfully adjusted text position in Davinci Resolve. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore other tools within the Inspector to further refine your editing skills. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to manage text within Davinci Resolve. By becoming familiar with these steps, you give yourself the creative flexibility needed for professional-looking edits. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you on your journey through video creation. Happy editing!